there a genetic component when it comes to depression? If someone says, well, my mom and dad had it, is that a factor?
It definitely can be a factor. There's no gene that has been identified as a depression gene. But when a child grows up in a home where mom was depressed, there can be some learned behavior, there can be a genetic component. So it ends up being biopsychosocial.
So you can be more susceptible to it because you're seeing it at home.
Correct. You can have the biology make you more, have more proclivity towards it, and then the learned behavior, because I saw mom in bed with the lights down, the shades weren't open, or sitting and staring at a wall. So I can learn that kind of behavior, and it can open a door for that.
Just like they say, Martin, that so much starts at home.
Yes.
And what children see, if you see a parent reading all their lives, you tend to read more. Or if you see a parent eat junk food, then you may be eating. Same kind of concept here?
Same kind of concept, yes. So obviously, like Teresita was mentioning, there is the genetic part of it, and we've known from some studies, like twin studies, that there is sometimes we don't know exactly what the genes are yet. You know, this is still a lot of new field. But we do see that there is something to my parents, my grandparents, and that's why we ask about this when we're doing an assessment with somebody. We ask them, oh, does anybody in your life suffer from depression or from any other mental health disorders? So we would ask that because that is a component. But then I think, for us, I think for what we see the most and what we can deal with the most is the environmental aspect, as Teresita was saying. So seeing or not getting the right kind of communication, not getting the right kind of love, attachment issues that can happen from when you're a child. So all these things can lead to depression.